In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Black Flash in Cursed Arena. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Cursed Arena has a Black Flash that you can use as the King of Curses. Now, a lot of people have complained that this is one of the more difficult ones to land, and I agree. But in this video, I'm gonna try to give you various different tips to help you hit the Black Flash. So for you to do the Black Flash, all that you have to do is use the ability, so when you play as the King of Curses, make sure that it is active. You will see this little red icon over Black Flash, or this little outline, and then you just walk up to an enemy. What I like to do for this Black Flash is that as soon as I click once to use Black Flash, you click again. So essentially, you make sure that the red outline is on Black Flash, meaning that the skill is ready to be used, and when you left click, your character is going to start the animation. Then all that you have to do is click right after you start. So I'm going to show this several times. It might seem weird at first, but that's all you have to do. Make sure that the red outline is there, meaning that Black Flash is now ready to be used. When you click once with left click, your character will start the animation, and you just have to click left click again immediately after. So it's gonna look something like click and then click as soon as you see the animation go off. And as long as you are able to connect the attack, you will be able to do a Black Flash reliably. So as you can see, I'm just waiting for my cooldown, and I'm doing it back to back to back to demonstrate. I'm gonna try to time it outside of this, but it would be something like this. You click once and then you click again immediately after starting it. If you try to do it too fast by spam clicking, it probably will not go off, so just give it a second, but don't take too long. If you take too long and you wait until the enemy is starting to get pushed, you will not be able to do it. But if you do it like this, as soon as your character starts going towards the enemy, you will be able to get it done reliably. So as soon as you start the move, give it a second and then do a left mouse click again. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Black Flash in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.